So I'm doing a TikTok tutorial. So I have tried to do this tutorial like 2 other times, and each time my phone has like not let me watch it and deleted it somehow because of the storage on my phone. So I've deleted a few apps, and so I'm so hoping that this one will stay. So what you do first is you want to find a song. It literally took me like an hour to find the song that I wanted to do. What I ended up doing was going to Instagram and finding a reel on Instagram and then choosing my sound. So this is the sound that I'm doing. I look like these. I look like these. Basically, it just keeps saying that until you finally get to the end and it says I also look like this, and then that's when, so I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup, all in this TikTok. So each time I'm doing another transition or another phase, like my hair, I'm rolling up my hair, I'm sitting in the dryer, I'm doing my makeup, and then the final one will be I also look like this, and that's when I'll be finished with everything. So you find your song. I'm actually gonna just go ahead and show y'all. You find your song, you do use this sound at the bottom. What you also can do is create your own sound. I look like these. How you create your own sound is by hitting this plus mark right there in the center, and you just start recording. You can upload your own images if you want to, you know, like have a slideshow type of thing, or you can do a backdrop and talk over top of that if you want to. How you do the backdrop is you do effects, green screen, and then you upload whichever one you want to use. So let's see. Let's just say we're using this one. You hit next. Then look, hit up Jackson's Lawn Care for your lawn care needs, and you just record. You would to record, just press the send. La 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 la. You hit check when you're done. La 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 la. Boop. There you go. You hit next. You put your caption and everything, and there you go. So that's how you do the green screen. Now, if you wanted to do it with a sound behind it, what you do is you go to the search bar. If you know the song that you're doing, you just type it in. I look like this. I hit this sound. Let me make sure this is the right one. I look like these. 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 I also look like these. Okay, so we hit this circle down at the bottom that has the music coming from it, and you do use this sound. So let's get started. This is the first one. What you do is you hit record. What you also can do is do the timer, and you just make the timer stop at what you want it to stop at. So you can say, hold on, let me see. So we wanted to go a little bit more. I look like these. So that's what the first video is automatically going to stop at. So you can do 10 seconds, and then that just makes it longer. And then you can start shooting, and it'll stop exactly at where you stopped at with this red line. So you hit start shooting. I look like these. And to watch it, you hit the check mark. I look like these. I look like these. I look like these. Perfect. And then you just go back, and you continue to follow along, and you continue to say the words each time. And that's how you do it. That's how you make a TikTok, guys. So I'm going to stop this recording. And every time I come back, I'll start back recording or screen sharing or screen recording. And you'll see the finished product. Alright guys, so we're back. So I have half my makeup done. All I have to do is my lips and my lashes and we're done. So this is what we've done so far. The only thing we've done was we continue to go to this timer and we stop at the last place. It helps you because it has this grayed out part, so that's what you've already done. So let's go back out of there. And here's what I've done so far. I look like these. 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 Okay, so it's 6 times that she said I look like this. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 more times. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do, okay. So I'm gonna do lashes, I'm gonna do lips and hair, and then I'm gonna do the last one, which is I look like this too, and all my hair and stuff will be combed out and all of that. So stay tuned. I'm pausing you guys and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back with our lashes and part of our lips. So we're gonna do we're gonna take it a loose, we're gonna do a lip. That's gonna be our next one. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and do the finale. I look like these. I look like these. I look like these. All right. I look like these. All right, let's see how that looks. I look like these. 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 Good, right? That looks so good. Okay, so let's finish our lips. Let's untake all our hair and then we'll be done. I'll pause you guys again. All right, y'all, so we're back. My stand started acting up, so now I gotta hold it. But so we did our lips and we pulled out our curl. We just took out our flexi rods. Now we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna get dressed, and then that'll be the final one. So let's hit our timer. I look like these. I also look like this. I look like these. I look like these. I look like these. All right, so I look like these. See how we look. I look like these. 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 Let's take that last one out. Hold on, let me make sure. I look like these. 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 Okay, I look like these. I don't like that I'm smiling. So let's go back, discard that last clip, and let's do it again with the timer. I look like these. I also look like. I look like these. I look like these. Okay, Lord, this stand is bugging me. I look like these. All right, let's see. I look like these. 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 I think we need to make it longer. I look like these. I also look like these. I 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 look like. All right, y'all. So here's the final product. Not what I was really going for, but I had to end up pinning it up because it wasn't dry. I didn't even let it dry. All right, so let's get started with the last one, and I think it is, and I also look like that too. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Timer. I also look like that. I also look like that. I also look like that. All right, let's see. I look like these. 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 I also look like that. I look like these. All right, so let's do next. And then put your caption.
Draco. So she make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap.
So it's posted. So you go to your page, and here it is. I look like these. 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 I also look like that. I look like these. There we go, guys. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. This is the last video to our tutorial series. And so next week, we're gonna start our new series, and we're gonna be talking about the truth about starting your own online business. And we're gonna be dealing with mindset issues, and we're gonna talk about some stuff that that can help you overcome those mindset issues. And I'll be personally spilling the tea on myself as always. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know that you've been enjoying this tutorial series. And also let me know if there's any tutorials that you need help with, or anything that you need help with that you would like for me to do a tutorial on. I also am offering editing services, Canva services, where if you want to send me your videos, I can edit them for you. If you want to send me different photos or different things that you want for social media content, I can create that for you as well. So go ahead and send me you can send me a DM, you can email me. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.